Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host, Saul. We're here at Nall in the fall of 2023. We're here with Mike Boast of Legend Hobbies, and he has got a gorgeous 1/3 scale. Is that correct, sir?
Close. It's a little larger than 1/3 scale.
A little larger than 1/3 scale Cessna Bird Dog. And folks, this is the newest one from Legend Hobby. It's an ARF, meaning what you see is what you get. So if you're looking for a large Cessna, this is the one you want. Mike, why don't you take us and walk us around here? I see you've got, first of all, let's talk about some of the neat features. Let's start at the front.
Okay.
Tell me about the cowling. Is it fiberglass?
Yes, it's a thick fiberglass cowling. It's mostly pre-cut for a big twin.
Okay.
It's got a, well, I'm gonna go with the engine. It has a Stinger 125.
Okay. Fantastic. All right, here, tell me about the rockets, my friend. Walk on over there. Tell me about those rockets there on the right side. Or that side over there. Yep. Now, do those rockets come with the kit, or is that something that you add?
The rockets come with the kit. There's nothing added to other than the pilot that doesn't come with the kit here.
Now, I see it looks like we've got a quick release here for the struts. Is that correct?
That's correct. You have quick release on the strut at the top, bolts at the bottom part of the attachment point. It's a two-piece wing, plug in tight. The rudder and, well, the stab is a modular style, so you can take it off for transportation.
Now, and the fuselage is all one piece, though. Is that correct?
Yes, one-piece fuselage.
I see. Now, it looks like we've got a nice access hatch at the top. Show me, if you will, how do we open up that hatch there on the top of the plane? Okay,
you have two slide latches right here to access down inside, and this is where you get to your attachment points for the wings. You got two bolts on each side. Up in here, they're, I think, a 6mm.
I see. So there's two bolts.
Two bolts per
side. Okay.
You got two wing tubes.
Right.
Yeah, all the cockpit and interior comes with the seats, the dash. The inside comes pre-painted.
Right. Very nice. And then of course all the all the windshield, everything that's there, all the windshields on the top there, they come pre-installed. Is that correct?
No, you have to glue in these. The front and rear main windshield came pre-installed.
I see.
You do have doors that open on each side.
Very nice. Now, how do the doors open, if you don't mind showing me?
Let's see. I have to get into that one. They're kind of hard to get to, but
right.
There's a magnetic. This one's taped shut.
Right. Oh, that's fine. That's okay. You don't have to peel the table. But you would just turn that little handle right there. Is that it?
Just pull the handle.
Just pull the handle and it opens up. Oh, that's nice. Now, it looks like it comes with a giant, what's supposed to look like a whip antenna here.
Yeah, these planes were mainly, they were used for scouting in Vietnam, so they needed, to be able to talk to all the guys that were coming in to actually do the attack runs.
Fantastic. Now, talk to me about the hinge here. They're always important. What about, it looks like you've got some hidden hinges.
They do. They come with hidden hinges and Fowler style flaps. All this is pre-installed.
Oh, fantastic. Wow. And it looks like you've got, looking here for the scale guys, you've got the flap servo is inside the wing, as we can see right here.
Yes.
Is that correct?
That's correct.
Oh, fantastic. That's wonderful. Very nice. Very nice. All right, friends. Well, we've got a gorgeous aircraft here. So if you've been looking for a giant bird dog, don't feel like building one, but just maybe like an ARF or something like that, you can't go wrong with this. And if you will, sir, tell me, how many different schemes, Mike, does this particular plane come in?
It comes in 3 different schemes. The red and white, a gray scheme, olive and red, and then you can actually get it in a ready-to-cover version.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Well, folks, legendhobbies.com, is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Legendhobbies.com, and they've got some great stuff on there. Go check them out, folks. Show them the love. And we're going to get a video of this flying in just a second. So stay tuned, folks. More to come. Folks, one more thing I want to add to you. Look at that nice tail wheel. If you're a scale buff, you want something that looks nice in scale. You don't want a single piece of wire. And that there is fantastic. What a really nice looking tail wheel. All right, friends, let's get ready for the flight. All right, friends, more to come.